Wow, welcome guys to this tutorial. This is Jeep Masco or Masco KE. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to remove copyrighted videos or audios from your YouTube channel. So maybe you have some videos that are not are copyrighted, and you want to make this these videos not to have copyright, which means if you have such videos that are copyrighted, the monetization is disabled because you cannot earn revenue from such videos when you have a content that is copyrighted by someone. For example, if you have a content that has someone's music effect that has not authorized you to use it, then your monetization will not be activated. Or if you are using a video from someone that has not authorized you to use their videos, then your monetization will not be authorized. So we want to go step by step to look on how to remove copyrighted videos, or how to have a look at some of the copyrighted videos in your YouTube channel. So let's do this. So I will come here. This is YouTube homepage. This is the first page of YouTube homepage. So from here I will go straight to my profile, click on the profile picture, then my YouTube channel is Masco KE, then go straight to YouTube Studio. Then now we want to go and look at some of the videos we have. Please subscribe. I don't have much subscriptions, so I need you to subscribe, please. So I will go straight to content. To some people they will see videos or playlist, but I want to go to content. These are the content that I've uploaded on YouTube. When you look, these are the videos. These are the content that I've uploaded on YouTube. So when you click on content, of course you will see all the videos. So what I want to do, I want to have a look at some of the videos that are copyrighted so that I can fix them, so that monetization can be activated on these videos. Because when you have a video that is copyrighted, the monetization is not activated in that video because some content in that video does not belong to you. It belongs to someone else. That's why you have to ask for permission from them to authorize you to use their content so that monetization can work. Of course, everyone wants to earn a revenue from the content they post on YouTube. So you cannot earn a revenue from a content that has a copyright owned or claimed by someone. Let's go and have a look. So next we will come here, come on this icon here, click on it. Then down here we have age restriction. You can restrict people, copyright claims, description, made for kids. So we will go straight to copyright claims. That is where you will get the videos that are in your YouTube channel with copyrights. Don't think every video that you upload will automatically start generating revenue. No, if they have copyright, they will be disabled. So after I have gone here and click on copyright, you see now copyright claim. These are people who are claiming copyright of these videos. There is something, maybe it might not be video but audio, maybe it might not be audio but video. So I want to see, for example, let me see, I want to look at the copyright of this. I made a video for these people called Poolmaster 2022. It was an end year party. So for me to have a look at what is the problem with this video here, you will not see it. You see I have 15 views. These views are not counted because this video is copyrighted. Someone is claiming something belongs to them in this video. Even if it will have million views, then I will not be paid for that video because I don't have rights, but I am using someone's content on that video. So let's go and look at that thing that is making me not to use this. So I will come straight here, copyright claim, mouse over on the copyright claim, then we will see details. Click on the link see details. It will drive you to that video. You see here not affected. The channel is not affected. Remember, when one video is copyrighted, it does not affect the entire channel. Means it does not affect other contents. It will only affect that specific video. The video is public, uneligible. This means monetization is uneligible. This is money, so I cannot be paid for this because it has been disabled because of what? Let's go down. Look here. This is a song called Papa Lolo. Moses Fana. That is Prince talking. Moses Fana. This guy is claiming the copyright of this song on my video. So video cannot be monetized because of this. So I want to go and remove this. You see, there are so many copyright claims because as I was editing these videos, I put some sound effects belonging to these people here. Loliwe by Zahara, Unajibu Maombi. These people claim copyright of this content, so I want to remove. You will come here in the selection, select action, click on it, then if it is the audio, trim out the segment I want to do out with that, or replace the song. If you have another song that is not copyrighted, you can replace it. And remember, whenever you are doing a video, just go to YouTube and you will find some of the free videos from YouTube. How do you call it? YouTube audio, free audios from YouTube. So we want to trim out the segment. First, let us look at the part we want to trim out. So you will click on it. Here is our video. It will show us the part that we want to trim out, that is. So just a moment, it's coming. It's gonna show me something here. You can see here, start time of the video is 10:17, then ends at this. So of course we want to see what time is that video. You see, now the copyright that we have seen by Papa Lolo starts from this part, so we want to trim. So if you say continue, it will remove that part of that audio in that. So if we click trim, so we are trimming it out. So the process takes a little bit time, but if your internet is very fast, it will take less time. Then let's go here. You can also click this and look at this. Let us play it to listen. This is Loliwe by Zahara. Out. It means if I don't remove that music, this means I don't have the monetization will not be activated because the copyright, the video, the content does not belongs to me. Let us go back. Let us go back again, and now let us come and look at this video here. It is also a copyright claim. Let us click more details. You see, not eligible. So this video has one song, that is, let's come here and look at the audio. Replace the audio. This is the audio. Let's play. So that is the video that is bringing the copyright. So I can replace it with so many videos, songs. So I can replace it. You can replace it with the song that you want. Right now I don't have any, so let me discard. And another option is you can select to mute. If you mute it, then the copyright will be removed because it is not, anyone who is going to that video will not listen to music. So replace the song. If I click the replace the song, of course we've been there. I've shown you how to replace the song. So you see, this video is copyrighted claim. Let us go to some of the videos that are not copyrighted. So let's go back to content. Then as you can see, this video is copyrighted. Let me go to videos, playlist, back to YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel here.
Hello everyone, this
is my YouTube studio here. So if you want to change, you go to YouTube studio, then you go to content here. These are the videos, you see. Then you will realize these videos restriction, these videos are not restricted. These videos are not restricted. But if I come here to this icon and select copyright, I will only be given copyright claim. These people are claiming. Let us now go to which video? This video, and look at what the copyright claim is all about. More details. When you mouse over, then I want to check what is it. Yes, here there is a song there. Someone on YouTube told me that music, that's how different it is. But after I use it, it's not free. So don't confuse me with songs that you only make. Don't take songs from someone who wants to work someone else. Someone will allow me the song that is when copyright. So I want to replace that song. I just want to remove it. So if you mute the song, now the copyright claim.
Come with me and look at my calendar. Thank you. Follow me there.
Continue. Mute. So once I've muted that video, that music, then it should not come. You see here, video cannot be monetized because just because of that song. If you use someone's song, it will make you not to be monetized. Monetization means being given authority to earn some income from YouTube, that is. So it's taking time. So after that, you will not see you will not hear the song when the effect is playing. Let me give it time. If you want to get free music from YouTube, you go to YouTube libraries. YouTube library, then you will get music that has no copyright. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Here, YouTube library. If you come to YouTube library, you will find songs. See? Let me click, for example, this one.
Google Digital Skills for Africa offers over 40
here,
free online
Next.
courses.
Then
Learn
no copyright music. So make sure you're using such music. If you use this music, there will be no copyright claim. you download it, then you use it. So our video is taking long time to process, but I think after it is done, all is well. Now video can be monetized because you don't use anything that is from someone who is claiming it. So the song is in progress. That is how to do that. Maybe you can try with your channel, but ensure also you check with the claims. You see here it's writing checking, one found. Now it will remove it and I will be safe. And that is how we do it, and that is how you remove the copyright claim on YouTube. Thank you very much. For you to support me, subscribe on this channel, click the bell button and click the like button. This is Masco KE. I will continue sharing more and more and more of tutorials so that you can always know how to remove copyright videos, audios from YouTube, your YouTube channel. For more questions, for any questions, just comment on the community panel so that we can discuss more and make more video. But first, subscribe, click the bell button as we go on. Thank you. Bye bye.